Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Amy and this is my channel Makeup by Amy Alice. Today I thought for my first video I would do a cut crease tutorial on my eyes. I do a really high cut crease because I feel like I have very hooded eyes. You can't really see my eyelid behind my eyelashes, so I thought I would do a cut crease. So the palette that I'm going to use today is the Carnival XL Pro palette by BPerfect Cosmetics, which is just this one right here. So I thought I would use the two colours Wasted and Make Waves. Wasted is the colour here, which is this kind of purpley colour, and Make Waves is this kind of bluey kind of turquoise colour as well. So I've already gone in and done my eyebrows with the Melt Proof brow kit from Anastasia Beverly Hills, which is just this one right here. To prime my eyes, I use the concealer from L'Oreal Paris. I use the Infallible concealer. This is what I do all the time, I don't really know what to put on my eyes and stuff like that. So I think I'm going to start off with the shade Make Waves, which is just this kind of aqua blue colour here, and I'm just going to take a little bit onto a fluffy brush like this, and I'm just gonna tap off the excess. So I kind of want to go really high up here on my eye. Hold on, I'll actually just zoom you guys in so you can see what I'm talking about. Okay, so basically what I'm gonna do is I have a higher space on my eye up here. I barely have any eyelid down here. I have a very hooded eye, but I have all this space between my eye to my brow, so I really take advantage of the space that I have there. So I'm just going to take that shade and I'm going to put it right here. I'm just going to blend it in softly right in to here. So as you can see, I'm building a little line here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to build that kind of aqua blue colour from here down into where my nose bone is. As you can see, there's already kind of a shadow there that I kind of follow. I just like to basically pack down the colour first and then go in and blend it properly later on. So, as you can probably tell, we are already kind of getting the shape down already. I'm just going to go ahead off camera and do the exact same what I've done here on this eye. So as you can see, I have both the eyes done with that blue colour. So what I'm going to do now is transition into a different colour, which is the purple colour I talked about earlier. And what I'm going to do is just kind of pack that colour into the end of where that blue is. I kind of follow the shape of my eyebrow, which as you can see, my eyebrow kind of goes up and then arch kind of back down again. So what I'm going to do is bring that colour downwards, and then I will bring it in to the end of my lid like this, and I'll just bring it down into the end of my eye. I just noticed I hit Pan on Wasted actually, because it's my favourite colour. This is just a fluffy Real Techniques brush, and I'm going to go ahead and blend all these colours together. This might take a while until you can fully get with the shape of the eye, because it kind of depends on your eye as well, what shape your eye is or things like that. So this does take a lot of practice to get right. I have been doing this same eye shape for the past couple of weeks now, and I'm really loving it. And now here comes the best part of all. This is my favourite part, is when you really get everything to take shape, is when you add the concealer to cut the crease. So what I'm going to do from here on is I'm going to grab my L'Oreal Infallible concealer in the shade 332 Ivory, and I'm just going to take this, and it's 322 actually, not 332, 322. Just put a little bit of this product onto the back of my hand like this. Grab a concealer brush. I'm just going to take this flat smudger brush, just take it from there in the middle just to kind of outline the height where I want to go. So what I'm going to do is just bring this across, and I'm going to bring it down towards the front of my eye. I hope you can see this. I'm just gonna, you know where I put like it around here, I'm going to bring this concealer down to the front of my eye here in an angle. I feel like it's hard to talk about, so I feel like you might get what I mean when I fill this in. So just bring it down like that, and then I'll just bring that concealer back up and around an angle, just like that. I've purposely used two bright colours so that you can see what I'm doing. The remainder of the concealer that's on my brush, I'll just blend it back over my eyelid. So this is basically the shape that we're creating here, which is like a really high, kind of a semicircle kind of cut crease. We're not going to bring this the whole way back, because what we're going to do with these colours here is the purple. I'm going to blend it back over again into the middle. Okay, so I'm going to go and do the other eye off camera, and I will show you what it looks like, and then we'll go back in and blend. So this is what it's looking like after I have the other eye done as well with the concealer. I'm going to take the white shade in the very top corner, and I'm just going to set the whole eyelid with that colour. And once I have that white packed over where I've put the concealer, I'm going to go back in with a fluffy brush like this, and I'm just going to pack in that same purple shade from earlier, the shade Wasted from the palette. I've actually just noticed that when I last dipped into the shade, I've actually just hit pan. That's how much I love the purple shade. So what I'm going to do is grab that same purple shade, and I'm just going to pack it down the side firstly, blend it outwards. And then I'm going to take that fluffier, more of a blending brush that I had from earlier from Real Techniques, and I'm just going to really start to blend it outwards. So it should be looking like this. And I'm just going to go ahead and finish the other eye, and I will show you what it will look like. Okay, so I've just gone off camera and I finished off the other eye, and I also added a little bit more blue to the front, and I added a wing liner and some lashes as well. So this is what the eyes should look like. I'll zoom you guys in just so you can see. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. I am Amy Alice and this is my channel, Makeup by Amy Alice, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.